Hey guys, so today I am doing an unboxing for this company called SandCloud, and what this company does is donate 10% of their profits to protecting and preserving marine life. First time ordering was this towel right here. It looks like a light blanket, but I assure you it's meant to be a towel. I'm actually an ambassador for this company, so I help spread the word about them. I actually have a code for you to get 25% off. Actually I have two now, but you can use either one, so let's just get started. I did cut it open so you guys didn't have to see me struggle. This is in my range of colors. This is definitely my range of colors. I love anything between green and blue. Like, give me anything from between there and I will love it, no matter what. There is this keychain thing. I assume you can attach your keys to that. And there's little pockets there's this one big pocket, and then there's three long skinny pockets, probably for your pens and pencils. Inside, and there is a laptop sleeve, so that's helpful because I need to take my laptop everywhere with me. And there is plenty of space. And my favorite part of opening up things from SandCloud is the stuff they give that gives back. So initially they only had towels, but now they have hats, water bottles, and now they have plenty of teas. They actually sell out really quickly because everybody loves them so much. Here's another card that gives you the Snapchat code. And if you want to be featured on their Instagram, they do feature a lot of people. You just tag @sand_cloud and hashtag save the fishies. This is a new sticker. I have never gotten this before, but it has two whale tails and it says SandCloud on the bottom. The last one I got, it's actually right here. It says hashtag save the fishies. And there's one last thing in here. Aw, they gave me a pin. I didn't get that last time. I like this. It's really simple, but look, it's so cute. Nothing much. Shopping.
Welcome. Happy holidays.
Happy holidays.